Hey, good day everyone. I've got this Pro Socket rail system here. 9 pieces in it. Let's check this. Here's everything that came in the box. It's got 9 rail systems here. Got 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 inch drive, and 1/2 inch drive. You got 3 of each color. And it comes with some extra. Okay, so you got this extra one here. So all you do is just pop the end off there. And you can slide this on just like that for an extra socket. So that's real nice. I'll do that with all of them. I have a ton of sockets, so I'm definitely going to use every last bit of these extra sliders here. This will be really nice. Help me with my socket organization. And speaking of, it comes with some decals here. So you got metric and standard. And you got 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 inch drive, and 1/2 inch here too. It even says clean sockets with alcohol before labeling. All right, look at this. Putting a good dent in my socket organization here. Still got a couple of reams to fill up here. I'll go ahead and start labeling them. I got my 3/4 inch drives, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. Now here's an example of how to label them. So I've got a metric one here. It's a 9mm. My 9mm decal here. I can put that right on there. And I'll be able to tell exactly what's what. Sometimes these numbers can be hard to see on the sides of these. This big 9 here really makes it stick out. So you can see this big lettering a lot better, that contrast there. Really nice. Overall, really happy with these, and I'm going to use them a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.